Guys, it's Kay, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use Fetch Rewards to earn some points and actually turn it into gift cards. So Fetch Rewards is a great app that you could use your receipts. So any shopping you're doing, you could actually turn those receipts into literally money. So here's how you do that. From your Play Store, if you're on an Android app, or if you're on an Apple phone, you could go to the Apple Store and download the app. So I'll go to the Play Store, so you go in the Play Store on your phone, and you'd search for Fetch Rewards. When you search for Fetch Rewards, what's going to come up is you're going to see an icon that looks like this. You're looking for an icon with this gift box. So once you have that, you could install it, and then you're ready to actually go and use Fetch Rewards. So once you have it installed on your phone, this is what it's going to look like. You're going to go and find Fetch Rewards. So this is the little box here, and it's just going to open the app for you. A really simple app to use to earn gift points that you translate into gift cards and spend more money here. So how you use this is pretty simple. You have these buttons right here. You're just going to take a picture of your receipts. So you can see I'm going to tap this little icon here that looks like a camera and point it at my receipts, and it's going to take a picture of it. So when I hit it, it allows me to scan my receipts. So any receipts you have, grocery store receipts. So this is a grocery store receipt I have. So I'm going to hit the button there, and you want to get all the receipts. So it has another button that you can just tap in and add another section. And then I'm going to take another picture here. I'm going to hit submit button, and then you'll see it configures the receipt and then gives you points for it. So that receipt, I earned 25 points. Now I have another receipt here. I'm going to scan it, and you can see this receipt is actually from Menards. So one was a grocery store, and this is Menards. So any receipts you have, and pretty much, you know, if you could find someone who gives you receipts, it doesn't matter. You could scan them in and get credit for them. So I'm going to scan that one, hit submit, and we'll see how much points I get for that one. So, you know, if there's anything wrong with it, it's going to tell you, you know, what's wrong. So I'm just going to rescan that receipt again to make sure everything is lined up correctly, that I got the dates. So you always want to make sure you have the dates in there. And you could use receipts up to 14 days. So you have 14 days to submit a receipt to get credit for it. So if you have old receipts, you could definitely use them. So it's missing so I'm going to try and scan the other receipt just to, you know, for the time's sake here. Then I'll go back and do that one. So this one is a shorter receipt. And submit that one. And so this receipt was from Menards, and I got 25 points for that one. I'm going to hit done, and then I'm going to go do this last one here. So that one, add another space, that one, hit submit. So you can see it's a really simple way to you know, get points for any receipts. Whatever you're doing, just scan those receipts in and it gives you points. So let me show you what these points turn into. So you can see I have 12,625 points, and all I've been doing is just my regular shopping. I'm not doing anything extra, and then just uploading you know, these receipts into it. And when you earn the points, it tells you what your points could be for. So I have 12,000. If I go in the 10,000 section, you can see all the gift cards I could redeem and get $10 for. So I could do Amazon, theaters, just about, there's quite a few things in here. Stores to eat. I think there's Bed Bath & Beyond. So some, you know, places where I definitely could use these at. So this is not stuff that you can't use at places. These are probably places that you visit, you like, and will go back to, that you could get, you know, monies to spend there. So that's how that works in terms of just scan your receipt, you get to earn points, and then when you're ready to just, you know, just hit the redeem, and it will give you a gift card in the form of like a paper online kind of a gift card, so you could spend it online or actually take it to the store and use it. So let's see here. Now all you got to do is actually download the app, and when you download the app, what's going to happen is if you use my code, you'd actually get 2,000 points right now. So this is my code right here, 29GE1. If you use that code when you download the app and scan your first receipt in, you'll actually get 2,000 points, and those 2,000 points is you're beginning to really getting a lot more points. So if you want to, you know, get some money in, really easy, you know, you could use your receipts, anyone else's receipts. You know, you got people in your household that goes out, do shopping, just tell them to give you their receipts, and you could, you know, wand them in and definitely get the points, and you get the credit for the receipts and could turn those into gift cards. So I'm going to put the link in the description box to give you more information about how to download this stuff and actually put that code in there. So when you download it and upload your first receipt, you get 2,000 points to start out off. So that code you could actually use is 29GE1, and then just enter it into the app after you download it. It's going to ask you for it, and you'll get 200 bonus points just for starting to use this Fetch Rewards. So I hope you enjoyed this, guys. Check the link in the description box for more info of how to get this app.